Hello my lovely viewers, this is Taz from taslimamaya.art. Thank you for being here and I hope you're having a lovely day. If you enjoy any of the content on my videos, please do consider hitting that like, share and subscribe buttons and hit the notification bell to be alerted to future videos. I'm super excited and happy today to be collaborating with the wonderful Aishu's Crafty Kids Club. Aishu is super creative and she makes wonderful paper crafts for children, so do go check her channel out and watch her videos and give her a subscribe. She was up first and then it's art by Donna, my dear friend Donna, who's a master of all trades really. She does resin work and many other types of art. I'll put a link to the playlist down in my description box, so please do go and check them out if you've missed them. Today I'll be doing a beautiful background pour using colour art pigments and extreme machine pigments for a painting I'm going to embellish in the future. Welcome my dear friends, and here I have a project I'm just starting. This is going to be a two-part project. So to begin with, I've got a 12 inch by 10 inch canvas and I've taped off the back and prepared it for you, and I also have some push pins, giant push pins put in place so that I can actually keep it off the work table. Right, so we're going to get started. I'm going to be using up a lot of my older paints and they've been mixed up with Colour Art's Vivid Enamel, which is a pouring medium, and I will go through the colours with you. The consistency is relatively runny, as you can see, and I'm going to place it all over my canvas now. So we'll go over and do a swipe across the top using a palette knife and some white cell activator because I want to actually embellish this in a particular way. So let's get started. And I'll put the colours up on the screen for you. This is Bling It Chalcedony. I'm gonna just layer it across. I'm trying to use up all my colours. Right, and then let's try the next one. This is Extreme Sheen Blue Sky Topaz. So that's Extreme Sheen Blue Sky Topaz, really beautiful colour. I want a lot of this on this. I'm going to put the whole lot on. Really lovely colour. Get some around the edges as well. I hope you're all doing well. I want to say a big shout out to Donna, my lovely friend Donna from It's Art by Donna, as well as my beautiful crafty friend Aishu from Aishu's Crafty Kids Club. Hi both, and thank you for having me on this collaboration today. Can't wait to see what you guys have got for us as well. So if you haven't subscribed or visited either of the channels, please do go and have a look at their work. Donna does some beautiful resin pieces in particular, although she does a bit of everything, and Aishu does some amazing kids crafts. So if you've got little ones, do check her out, and I'm sure they'll find it really, really interesting and informative as well, and really fun. This one is Primary Elements Dolphin Stone, bit of a lighter kind of green, really pretty. And pop that on there. I'm going to get it all, this entire canvas covered really ideally. Okay, and I do want a lot of white on this canvas actually. So next up I'm going to add a bit of this kind of a silverish colour, and the colour name is Angel Wings from Colour Art again. I'm an affiliate of Colour Art, so if you want to purchase any of the beautiful pigments, as you can see here, you can find my 20% off code, my affiliate code, down in the description box below. I'll put it up on the screen if I can as well. It's just lowercase Taslima 523, and you can get 20% off your entire order if you use that code at checkout. There's also a referral link which is easier, and if you just click that in my description box, it'll take you straight to the website and you can place your order there. For everybody who has ordered through my voucher code and my referral link, thank you so much. Put that down. I also want to give a big shout out to my channel members. So I have a new channel member now, Terry Lechner. Thank you so much for supporting my art and my channel, helping me grow. I'm becoming a channel member, Terry. I'll give you a shout out as well on my community tab, and I'll pop up some extra additional material and scene footage and other things as well, some of the perks that come along with each of the different levels of channel membership. I also have a couple of other channel members. I have the wonderful Creations by Christy. She has a channel herself, so please go and check her out, give her a subscribe if you can. She has some amazing artwork as well. She's just beautiful blooms and swipes and all sorts, really. She's been doing Dutch pours recently, but do go check out Creations by Christy. I also have another channel member called Rafiq Hanan. Thank you so much, Rafiq, for your continued support this month. And I have another member who is called Nanette, and she has a channel called Simply Nanette. Please go check her out as well and help support her. These are wonderful people who support me, and I'd love to give back somehow. So if they can get an extra subscriber through me shouting out for them, that's wonderful. Now this colour, I'm trying to remember what it is. I'm going to put some of this, but I'm going to be strategic with this one. I think I want, because I'm going to be doing a certain thing with this once it's dry, I've got a plan for it. I'm going to strategically place some of these darker colours in. Okay, so I've thrown all my colours down. I'm going to put a bit more of this in the gaps, and again particularly in the middle there, I think. I'm going to tilt it around in a minute, and hopefully most of the canvas will be covered, and if it isn't, then I can use my palette knife to make sure it is. I can use the rest of this up, I think. I forgot to mention this last colour was called Gold Diamond. Beautiful gold diamond pigment from Colour Art. Okay, I'm just going to tilt this out very quickly. I have a new Facebook group I've just started up, so if you're interested in joining and seeing more of my artwork and sharing maybe some of yours and getting some support as well, it's called Acrylic Pouring and Mixed Media by taslimamaya.art. Okay, and it's on Facebook. I'll put a link down in the description box below if you want to join, and you can head over there and become a member and share some of what you do with me as well. So that would be really lovely to see you there. I'm just gonna make sure most of my canvas is now covered. And there's a lot of gaps there. There's lots of ways of doing this. Tilting is one. The other way I could have done it is just getting a small palette knife and tapping all the gaps in and smoothing it over. See, I haven't really wasted any. You can see there's nothing there. I haven't really wasted any yet anyway, and I hate wasting paint, so I will scoop it up or use it for pendants or bookmarks or paint skins. So I'm just gonna make sure it's almost covered. It is almost covered. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit more depths in some places. Right, I'm now going to do my swipe, move everything up the way, and get my swipe palette knife. And I'm going to do a swipe now, so let's make sure you're recording. And I want to do a white swipe because I have plans, as I said, for this particular painting in terms of embellishment later. I get all my cell activator on here. This is titanium white by Amsterdam with Australian Floetrol. Just gonna take some of the excess off. Okay, so I'm going to do 2 swipes. Let's do it. One this side. Or maybe I'll do 3 actually, because it's not very long, this. There we go, that's one done. Wipe that off. And let's do it twice. Okay, there's the second one. I'll put the second one right through the middle as well. third swipe. Beautiful subtle colours there. I'm going to put a third swipe through it. I'm actually going to try and do it from this side. Actually, maybe I'll turn the canvas, which is quite easily done. There we go. Next one. I think my CA probably could have been a bit thicker, but it's going okay. I'm going to do the next swipe. And I'm going to possibly do one again across this side. Or maybe from the middle. There we go. That's my last swipe, so the painting is ready. I'll just bring it up for you to have a look at it. Look at the wonderful cells. Isn't that gorgeous? And you can't quite catch the glimmer in it yet. But this is exactly the look I was going for. These gorgeous cells here. You can see how stunning that lacing really is. And it's going to come out better and better as it dries. It's not much paint on the surface of this, so I'm quite happy to leave it without spinning it. So I think that's it for today. You can't actually catch the gold, but it looks like there's gold glitter all over it. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'll actually take my gloves off, and what I'll do is I'll bring you closer up to it to see. So 1 second. So this is what it looks like close up. Can you see all that gold glitter? Isn't it gorgeous? That's the gold diamond. It's stunning. Really is stunning, and I can't wait to embellish this piece. I've got a really genius idea for it. And stay tuned. And I'll show you some pictures or stills in a minute as it's drying, but you'll see the dry result when I've embellished it, which will be very soon. So that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. This has been Taz from taslimamaya.art, and I will hopefully see you in the next video on the lineup. Bye for now.